Hi, this is Michelle. Today we're going to do a 10-minute shoulder and arm workout today. All you need is a mat and we're going to be standing up the whole time. If you can't join us right now, make sure to save this video to your watch later list and join us when you can. Okay, so now if you got your weights and if you don't have any weights, no worries. We're going to get into it. First, we're going to start off with just a little warm up. We're just going to kind of like swing our arms back and forth. Cross your body, cross your chest. Let's take some deep breaths. Make sure we got some water next to us. All right, and now we're gonna kind of just like, we're gonna warm up our lower body just a little. Bring those arms back and kick those legs back. I don't want to tire our arms out too much. So now we're just going to stretch. Take one arm, cross your body. You should feel a stretch all up in here. And switch arms. All right, and we're gonna get into it. The first exercise is our shoulder press. So, core tight, chest up, and press up and down. Again, we're really not trying to go as fast as we can, but we're really just trying to really feel it in our shoulders. Slow and controlled. Control, it's more about the control than how fast we are going, especially if we have some weights in our hand. It's really more about that control. We're not bringing our arms all the way down. We're staying pretty chest level and up, and we're not fully extending. It's just up and down. Give me 15 more seconds. You guys are doing great. I don't know about you, but my shoulders are already feeling a burn. 5 more seconds. Keep that core tight. You can squeeze the glutes to stabilize you and rest. Shake it out. Our elbows are going to be locked to our side, and we are just going to bicep curl up. I don't want you swinging, and I don't want your arms to like hit your shoulders. This is all about control here. Tuck in those elbows and up and down. Make sure we are breathing nice and easy. Again, this is not about how fast, just nice, slow and controlled. Really feel the bicep working up and down. You guys are doing great. Keep that core tight. Roll those shoulder blades back. Squeeze the glutes to stabilize and give me 5 more seconds. Good. All right, so now we're gonna do tricep extension. So I'm gonna have you bring your arms back and up, back and up. And the most important thing with this is we're just bending at the elbow. You see my arms aren't like moving. They're staying pretty tucked into my ear and up. The goal is to feel it here. And again, not about how fast, but how controlled we can make these movements. If you have one dumbbell, you're gonna hold it together. If you have 2, both arms are going with like one dumbbell here, one dumbbell here. Without it, we're doing both at the same time, just like I am now. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, shake it out. And we are going to do a lateral raise, straight out to the side and go. Nice and easy. You're gonna keep hearing me say this, but it's about the control, not as fast as we can do it. This is really about feeling a good burn in your upper body. Really feeling it where we're supposed to be feeling the movement. Keep that core tight. Breathe. At any point you need to rest or shake it out, feel free. You guys are doing great. You got this. We got 20 more seconds. Deep breaths, chest proud, core tight. And give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring our arms forward and we're gonna bring like our arms up. If you have any shoulder pain or neck pain in this exercise, I just want you to do a front raise. Because we're not really trying to hike our shoulders. It's more so just bringing the arms up. Deep breaths. Again, any pain in the shoulder, neck, just do a nice front raise. Drop those shoulders back. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're gonna alternate by like hammer curls. So bicep curls, our wrists are here. Hammer curls, our wrists are tucked in. And now we're gonna alternate. Again, this is all about slow and control. Keep those glutes squeezed, the core tight. That's gonna stabilize us. We're not swinging. We're keeping our elbows locked to our side. You guys are doing great. Deep breaths. Get some water if you need to. Shake it out if you need to. Keep going. We got 10 seconds left. All right, and rest. Now we're gonna do alternating tricep kickbacks. So tuck in that elbow. We're only moving at the elbow. One arm is going back, the other is locked to your side. Only bending at the elbow. So it's not this. Elbows are locked. And give yourself a nice bend. Embrace that core. And you should feel it all up in here. You guys got this. Keep going. Give me 10 more seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and make it even with that 6. All right, so now we're gonna do a fly. We're gonna come here and out. Keep a slight bend in those elbows and drive the elbows to the wall or whatever is behind you. I want you to think like you're breaking through that wall. Slight bend in the elbows. Keep that core tight. Squeeze those glutes. Breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Break that wall behind you. Drive those elbows. Keep the elbows nice and bent. Roll those shoulder blades back. Squeeze the glutes and give me 20 more seconds. You guys are doing great. breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And shake it out. And last exercise, we did a shoulder press. Now we're going to do a narrow shoulder press. So we're going to tuck in those elbows. We're just going to come up and down, up and down. Breathe. Breathe. Nice. Slow and controlled. We're not all the way up and we're not bringing all the way down. Staying pretty chest level and up. Just kind of like we're punching up. Squeeze those glutes and give me 15 more seconds. You guys got this. You guys are doing amazing. This is our last exercise. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, shake it out. And now we're just gonna do a small cool down. I have you bring your arm up and grab your elbow. Pat yourself on the back. Deep breath. Give me like 10 more seconds. And switch. Deep breath in and out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. And again, I just want you to lean forward. Let your body really just hang. Wiggle out your arms. We just really worked out our arms and our shoulders, so let them just kind of chill. You want to touch your toes. Feel free. But this is just a really great full body stretch. And I want you to slowly come up. And then I want you to just kind of like push back forward. Not too much. Don't put like too much pressure on your low back. And kind of come up, stretch forward, come back. Rotate through if one feels better than the other. Stay there a little longer. Deep breaths. Give me one more. Good one. You're going to feel a little hamstring stretch here. And a little back stretch here. All right. And last but not least, I want you to really take a deep breath. So I want you to blow out all the air. And I want you to and hold. And let that all out. And then just shake it, shake it, shake it. Move your legs just a little. And make sure we're staying hydrated today. And we're gonna get in our protein. And we're gonna have a fabulous day. Can't wait to see you next time. If you like this video and you wanna see more, make sure to download our Yoga Plus app. See you later.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose library. Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.